Do you know what ISO is and do you know how to use it? Well, stay tuned to find out. Hi, I'm Demelza Marie with Creative Online Courses, and on this channel I guide you through tips and tutorials to crush it with visual media and produce your online courses like a boss. I also go behind the scenes with a vlog of what it's like to be a mom entrepreneur, so if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So ISO mimics the idea of the sensitivity of the film or the camera chip to the light that's coming through the lens. So it's one of the elements that determines how bright the image is. So how do you use ISO? Well, basically you want to use the base number on your camera if at all possible, because the lower number means it's going to be a higher quality image. So if you can use 100 or 200 or whatever your camera lowest number is, that's the one you want to go with if at all possible. If, however, you are adjusting your shutter speed and your aperture and it's still too dark and there's not enough light to get a good exposure, then you can increase the ISO to allow more brightness. So every time you increase a number, 100 to 200, 200 to 400, 400 to 800, you are doubling the amount of brightness that is being of your image. However, the more you do that, the more grain or noise is going to be introduced into your image as well, and that's going to just deteriorate the image quality, which you don't really want. So if you find that you're having to go above 800, I would encourage you to think about adding additional light sources like studio lights or something like that if you can, rather than increasing the ISO. So as much as possible, keep the ISO number as low as possible. Do you remember in the days before digital cameras when we used those little film canisters, and on the film canisters there was those numbers like 200 or 400 or 800, and that related to the film speed and basically what is the ISO. Do you remember those? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested in more tips and tutorials on visual media or producing online courses or what it's like behind the scenes of a mum building a business, then please hit that subscribe button and you can watch another video right here as well. And if you like this video, please hit that like button and we will talk soon.